Hello everyone. Today's UX tip. Simple and initiative. What does simple and initiative mean in UX? In UX design, simplicity means removing anything that does not help the user achieve their goal. Intuitiveness means the design just makes sense. The user knows what to do without needing instructions. One task, one screen. The one task, one screen principle states that each screen or page should focus on a single primary goal or user action. No more, no less. It's about keeping the interface focused, distraction free, and purpose driven. Instead of overwhelming the user with options, forms, or unrelated actions, you give them clarity and confidence on what they are supposed to do next. For example, checkout process. Enter shipping information, choose delivery method, enter payment details, review and confirm. Each step is one screen, clean, clear and guided. Next, user familiar patterns. In UX design, familiar patterns are interface elements and behaviors users already know and expect, like a shopping cart icon, a hamburger menu, or swiping to scroll. Next, speak human. Speak human means writing in a way that sounds like how real people actually talk. Simple, clear, and natural. No jargon, no text speak, no robotic instructions. When your product speaks like human, it feels friendly, trustworthy, easy to use. Next, highlight the next step. Most users don't want to think hard about what to do next. They just want to move forward quickly, confidently, and without confusion. Your job as a UX designer make the next step obvious. What does it mean to highlight the next step? It means making the primary action button bold, visible, and clearly labeled. Using hierarchy and contrast to draw attention, giving clear cues like rows, labels, or animation. Don't make me think. When someone uses your app, website, or product, they should not have to stop and figure things out. People don't read instructions, they scan, they click what looks right, and if it works, they keep going. Next, less is user. Less is more, especially for the user. In a world full of clutter, option, and noise, users crave one thing, clarity. And clarity comes from simplicity, not from adding more, but from taking things away. It means fewer choices, faster decisions. Less content, more focus. Simple layouts, less confusion. Fewer features, better usability. Every extra button, color, or message adds mental load, and the more users have to process, the more likely they are to feel overwhelmed or leave. Next, consistent design. Confident users. Why does consistency matter so much? When your product looks, feels, and behaves the same across screens and sections, user can predict what happens next, navigate without thinking, trust the system, and trust leads to confidence. What does good consistency look like? Same color for same actions. Same icon for same meaning, same layout patterns. When your design is consistent, your user feel in control. They don't waste energy relearning things. They simply act. So if you want users to move with ease and confidence, remember, consistency is not boring. It's empowering. These are the essential UX tips. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell button for more UX tips.